Okay, clothes basket or clothes hamper? Which one is actually going to be better for you? So clothes hamper, you have the option of having 4 compartments, which easily will go ahead and roll wherever it is that you're wanting to place them. So if you have a big laundry room and you want to go ahead and fill in all of your baskets with clean clothes, roll the entire thing over to the living room, you can absolutely do so if you have a laundry room that's located inside your home. We do not, and so this sits actually beside our washer in the garage, and my kids go ahead and come and they put all their dirty clothes in the respective bins. So whites, colors, jeans, towels is kind of how we do that. Now, then from there, what ends up happening is that we use our clothes basket to be able to unload our dryer, and then take this inside the house for us to be able to go ahead and fold. We will also use our clothes basket, put all of our clean folded clothes, and then carry them to the respective rooms or whoever they need to belong to. So perhaps you need a basket, perhaps you need a hamper. Either way, perhaps you need both. I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys decide which one it is that you need better. Y'all have a great day.